to fix YouTube sound not working on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on search button located on top right. Search apps. After you've searched apps, click on apps and notification. In here, click on see all apps and then search for YouTube. Click on YouTube and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply force stop the app. After you've done that, go to storage and cache, which is below permission. Clear cache and clear storage. After you've done that, simply restart your device and then you're good to go. This is how to fix YouTube sound not working problem on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.